Hello kids. Today we're going to be doing an experiment that will in some way demonstrate Newton's first and third laws of motion. The first law being objects at rest tend to stay at rest and objects in motion tend to stay in motion, the law of inertia also known as. And the third, which is for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the egg into the glass of water. Okay, it's sitting in the pie pan on the toilet paper roll. And I haven't done this yet. I just saw it on the Pinterest. So don't shake the thing.
Sorry.
Here we go. Holy sugar. So I'm going to whack this pan out of the way, and the egg is going to drop into the water unbroken. This is a raw egg. Ready? Count down for me, please.
Okay. From what? 4?
Yeah, from 4. Because people usually start at 4.
We don't want it to go too long. All right, 4.
What? You started 3! You started 3!
3, 2, 1.